It's a new 2021 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, front heated leather bucket seats, Wi-Fi hotspot, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, dual zone climate control, sport suspension, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.